Welcome to Besttechno Dynamics Private Limited, a trusted name in the world of CNC cutting machines, such as CNC fiber laser cutting machine, CNC plasma plus oxy-fuel cutting machine, and CNC-based pipe cutting machines. Where precision meets innovation, technology that doesn't just work, it performs. Now let's explore the machines that are transforming manufacturing for our customers. The V-Raptor 1530 is engineered for architectural and aesthetic excellence. Purpose-built for intricate patterns, decorative facades, artistic installations, and bespoke furniture components, it delivers high-precision laser cutting that transforms a designer's imagination into clean, sharp, and flawless reality. The V-Raptor 2565 is designed for the demands of equipment manufacturing and fabrication industries. From custom builds and prototyping to full-scale production, it delivers repeatable accuracy and the strength to process diverse materials and thicknesses. Engineered for versatility, it empowers manufacturers with the flexibility, efficiency, and consistency required across automotive, machinery, and industrial applications. When size, scale, and smart control matter, Besttechno Dynamics leads. While others stick to standard formats, we create giants, like the Mammoth 3100 by 18,000 CNC cutting solution. Engineered for heavy engineering and large-scale production, the Mammoth goes far beyond conventional dimensions. Perfect for shipbuilding, construction, pre-engineered buildings, and heavy equipment fabrication, it delivers massive production capacity without sacrificing precision. With this machine, industries can tackle projects that smaller systems simply cannot handle. At Besttechno Dynamics, innovation goes beyond machine design. We also develop and manufacture our own in-house PCBs for both laser and plasma machines. These PCBs act as the brain of our systems, enabling smart control, smooth performance, and future-ready upgrades. And because they're built in-house, any issue can be identified and resolved quickly, ensuring peace of mind and uninterrupted machine performance for our customers. We believe world-class machines are built only when every detail is perfected, which is why we operate our own in-house machining facility. Our 3.7 by 8 meter plano miller machines, large structures with exceptional accuracy and stability, giving us complete control over the quality, precision, and durability of every CNC machine we create. Besttechno Dynamics Private Limited, delivering precision engineered solutions for every cutting need.